Are they on my head?
Yep, there's one on top of your head.
Take a video of me on my head.
Carmen Yuen, bird lady.
Matt Knox, bird man. I try to lick my ear. And my eye.
Yeah, I'm too afraid to let him do the eye, but they've done my ears pretty well.
Move into the sun. Move into the sun. Move into the sun. Move backwards. Move. Oh my god, they're on my head now.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them on your head now.
Wait, they fly. Okay.
Oh,
take video of me. They all flocked over at once, like all together too.
Yeah. It's really interesting. He's like scrambling around on top of your hat. What's this one doing to me? It feels like he's biting the side of my head a little bit.
Yeah, I think he's just preening you.
You got another one?
Tickles, huh? Yeah.
I really like the ears.
I know. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god. Just keep sticking their tongues in the ear, huh?
Yeah. Biting your hat.
Oh.
Ow, ow.
Is it hurting?
Yeah, I bit my ear a little bit. It's not that
amazing.
bad. This is basically worth the entire trip, honestly, to me.
Oh yeah, yeah. The fact that this place is not cheap, but it's worth it. Oh. The birds don't have to do this right away, though. You have to kind of stay here for a while on the bridge.
Yeah, it seems like.
And then they kind of like hanging out. Oh, they're pruning you.
Yeah.
I think they're pruning you.
Grooming me, honey. Not pruning. Pruning is what you cut leaves off trees.
No, birds prune themselves.
Preen. Preen, not prune.
Thank you. Preen. They're preening you.
Yeah.
What's someone doing on my back?
He's chewing on your hat. He's not a fan of your hat. He seems to be chewing on it.
Wow. Just chilling there.